Today, you can claim your free pre-funded real trading account. Each account contains real money. It's pre-funded by us, no deposit required by you, and you can use it to trade the live market. Now, recently we've had fantastic success trading the Daily Scalper and some other robots, 100% in 4 days, 500% in 50 days, and many of these accounts are available for copying on our copy service, and there you can see the accounts that are available, and there is the one that used to be 500% return. It's now at 700% return. Now remember, past results cannot guarantee future results. Trading is dangerous and you can lose all your money, but this offer reduces your risk considerably. We at Expert Forex are so confident that you will experience great results when using the Expert Forex exclusive markets copy service and the robot strategies that we promote, that we will provide you with a fully funded real money 1000 USC account to test our copy service and strategies, and what's more, you can keep and withdraw any gains or profits. It is almost like having a free prop trading account. Now, this free trading account is part of a practical step-by-step process that will teach you how to earn money from Forex, whether you're a total beginner or an experienced trader. The process will take you through the full cycle of establishing a broker trading account, copying very successful traders, and then withdrawing your gains. And this is done with no money required from you. So how do you claim your free pre-funded account? Very easy. You use this link. A clickable link will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary of the video. Or you can use this QR code. Now, I must stress, you need to be quick. There are only 100 accounts available. And remember, this is all about helping traders making better trading decisions.